Changing all the rear bulbs on the Citroen DS3. To change the bulbs and also removing the bumper, we need to remove the light assemblies completely. Remove these covers here, push down, and then we've got this undo anti-clockwise. If it's really tight, there is actually a T40 Torx in the centre. Now you can remove the electrical connector . Now to access the bulbs, you need to remove this part here, the bulb holder, by pulling these clips back. There are 4 of them. And the bulb types are actually written on the fitting. So on the driver's side, this is the fog light. We've got a PR21W it says here, which is a P21W with a red lens. And they're all just push and twist to remove. We've got the indicator bulb, which is a PY21W, and we've got 2 side light / brake lights, which are both P21/5W bulbs. The number plate light bulbs are behind these covers here. Insert a tool into the side of the lens, and you've got a wedge bulb